You can now apply for content monetization on your Facebook page and get on the wait list in no time.
Applying using this method I'm about to show you will trigger Facebook to send you set up for content monetization, and you will get invited. Like this video, comment and subscribe to get more updates.
Now you are going to go to the monetization tab on your phone, on your page. If you have a page, you see a place called monetization. Go there, you are going to see all these updates. So you are going to pick the first one. That is the first update. The first update is, once you see this update, it means that they are considering you for monetization and you should submit your interest. So pick the category you are in: dancing, comedy, musician, blogger, photographer, public figure, whatever you know that you are in, the kind of category of kind of content you put in. Select all as implied. Then you click done. Even if you're a coach, me, I choose coach also. I coach on that page also. So I still went ahead to choose coach. If you're a chef, put chef. If you're a business person, put business person. They want to just know your category. So they know who they are pushing your content to. Then you tell them about yourself. Um, do you understand? So you tell them about yourself, whatever you are doing in your content. You are going to put it there. You are going to tell them why you want this content monetization. Why do you want it? So you select another social media platform you want to input here. So me, I selected YouTube because I'm a creator on YouTube also. So before then, let's get what we are going to write for them. So in this interest, I put I'm interested in content monetization because I create original AI powered storytelling content that entertains and engage audience. The program will help me grow my content, reach more viewers, and continue producing high quality video consistently. So I saw it and I said, let me add tutorial also, because I said I'm a coach, right? So you are going to put everything you are doing in your content there. So tutorial content that entertains and blah blah blah, entertains and now edit it to entertains and educates. So not just entertainment, entertains, educates, and engages the audience. Now you are going to go back to your socials, and then add your socials. So I put thanks in the end so that at least Then when you want to now do this, you're not going to put your username for your Facebook or whatever social media. If it can be TikTok, it can be TikTok. So I went there to check for my username for my listing. It's not accepting it because I put ads. So I went back to delete that ads. Go back and delete that ads. If not, it will not accept it. So delete the ads and put in just your username for your YouTube. If it's YouTube, if it's not YouTube, if it's TikTok, put your username for your TikTok. If it's not TikTok, if it's Snap, put your username. Any social media account that any that you are mostly in and is above 1K followers. So now if it's X, put it also. So you're going to click submit. Just review everything, check everything and see that okay, everything is okay. And then you go ahead and submit it. Make sure that everything is okay. Everything you selected is fine. Then your interest is automatically submitted to Facebook and you are going to get your invite in no time.